Yeah, so I had my first hip replaced in a hospital 10 years ago, and even at that time, the doctor had said, hey, you have no cartilage in your right hip either, but you're not having any pains, why don't you go as long as you can without it? And it's been 10 years and I've really been pain-free, but starting last summer, started to notice pretty much every step that I took, when I'd cycle and golf, I started to notice the pain going. So I had done my homework. I lead a very large private school here in town, and I'd ask a lot of people, including our healthcare providers and our brokers, and Dr. Crovetti's name kept coming up, and I wanted to go to the best, and so I chose Dr. Crovetti. And from the minute I walked into his office, I mean, the whole thing's just a first-class experience here. I just appreciated the layout of his office. I appreciated the fact that they did the x-ray right there, you know, right at my initial consultation with him. He said, hey, pick a Monday and let's go. And so I picked a Monday that was convenient for my schedule. And I had this showed up for the surgery at 7 o'clock, I think, that morning. The gal was great checking me in, and I think I was in surgery by 8:30 that morning. Woke up and got into my room. Thought I'd get an hour or two to feel sorry for myself, but the nurse says, hey, get up, you're going to start walking down the hall right away. And it was just really incredible. The pain already was gone in my hip. And now there's just, you know, there was incisional pain and some pain from the surgery in the next few weeks. But boy, within 2 weeks, I was driving my car again, and I had my right hip replaced. So, you know, that's a little bit more tricky, but I felt confident in that. I'd say I used a walker and a cane for 2 weeks, but then kind of threw that to the side, and I was up and running. But, you know, it's kind of strange in the surgical suites because I had been in a hospital before, and this experience was just completely different. It was just a level so much higher than the care I was used to, the facilities. And as an old football coach in Texas, even the football field in the hallway where we recovered in the suites was strangely motivational for me. You know, I'd see the goalpost at the end and the cheering fans and the motivational sayings on the wall, and it was just strangely motivational. I really enjoyed being here. The nurses and the PT folks were just, you know, the treatment was first class. The food is outstanding. I was actually hoping to lose some weight. Figuring I'd come out of surgery not feeling so good, but I felt good right away. And they've got this incredible menu for breakfast and lunch. And then, of course, they bring in Chili's for dinner. And so I ate like a champ, and unfortunately didn't lose the weight I thought I might. But yeah, I just cannot say enough about the quality of treatment I had, of Dr. Crovetti's skill set, of the way the care and concern for all the nurses and the PT folks around here, and the facilities are awesome. So I'm not trying to blow sunshine up anybody's, you know, hat. I'm telling you, this is an incredible experience.